Good morning, Junior 5 students. I am Ms. Fatma Abdel Rauf Hamadnallah, and I will be teaching you science this year. I hope you enjoy studying with me. In the last video, we studied freshwater, right? Today, let's learn more about freshwater. About 10% of animals around the world live in freshwater habitats. So, poor quality of freshwater leads to the death of thousands of living organisms every year, the extinction of some species that live in freshwater, such as some fish and amphibians. Therefore, poor quality of freshwater has dangerous effects on living organisms. And this is give a reason question. How do humans conserve freshwater? Humans use some strategies to control and conserve freshwater, such as building dams across rivers. This helps store water for future use. However, some human activities cause an imbalance in the water system, which can lead to drought or flooding. What happens when there is more rainfall? The level of water in rivers or streams increases, causing floods. Okay? What happens when there is too little rainfall? The level of water in rivers or streams decreases, causing droughts. Okay? What happens when there is a water balance? Rivers and streams will have a constant source of fresh water. Okay? What happens when there is an imbalance of water in a watershed? What the meaning of watershed? A watershed is an area of land where water from different sources flows towards a common location, usually an ocean, a sea, or another large water body. Okay? A watershed helps scientists to understand how the water bodies in an area interact with one another. Okay? What happens upstream in a watershed affects the water bodies downstream. Okay? First, we have to know what is the meaning of upstream. The area where a river or stream begins, usually in higher land or mountains, while downstream is the area where a river or stream flows toward its end, usually into a larger body of water, like a lake, sea, or an ocean. Now, let's learn about human activities in tributaries. What are tributaries? Tributaries are small water bodies, such as small creeks or streams, that flow into larger rivers. Okay? How are they formed? Tributaries flow into bigger rivers, and those rivers continue flowing into larger water bodies, such as bays, seas, or oceans. Okay? How are water bodies affected by some human activities? 1. What happens if a factory is built near a tributary in area A? The factory may release waste into the tributary at area A, and the water in the tributary at area A will carry these wastes to other connected water bodies. This leads to water pollution in larger rivers, lakes, seas, or oceans. Okay? 2. What happens if a dam is built across a tributary in area B? The dam will hold the water behind it. This causes a change in the amount of water flowing to other water bodies connected to this tributary. Okay? 3. What happens if there is a farm using chemical fertilizers near a tributary area, C? The farm wastes will affect the tributary. The water in the tributary will carry the farm wastes to other water bodies, causing water pollution. Okay? 4. What happens if a trash dump is established near a tributary area? D. The litter from the trash dump may be blown into the water of the tributary. On windy days, the water in the tributary can carry this litter to other connected water bodies, causing water pollution. Okay? That's all for today. In our next video, we will continue our lesson. To stay updated, please like, subscribe, and share this channel. Goodbye.